Hi friends, today we are going to discuss a train aptitude problem. First of all, we have to understand the question. Here, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. Therefore, we can write the distance as 480 km. But it does not specify a distance, a speed. Therefore, speed equals x kilometer per hour. Okay. In the next sentence, if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, okay, before that we can find time equals unknown. Therefore, we know the formula distance equals speed into time. That is, distance means 480 kilometer, which is speed equals x. T can be written as small t, that is t. We can call this as equation number 1. Okay. In the next sentence, if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, therefore new speed when given speed is decreased by 8 kilometer at each hour. That is, from this sentence we can understand that at each hour 8 kilometer will be less. Therefore, new speed equals x minus 8 kilometer per hour. X is current speed, and at this point 8 kilometer will be less. Therefore, x minus 8. And then by remaining sentences, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. What is same distance? 480. At that time t. Therefore, new time will be current time plus more 3 hours more. Therefore, t plus 3. Okay. Now, distance equals speed into time. That is, distance is what? 480 itself, which is equals speed is x minus 8 into time is t plus 3. This is equation number 2. Now we can arrange this equation. That is, look at the equation. Both the sides are same. That is 480. Therefore, we can write it as xt equals x minus 8 into t plus 3. Now we can arrange this equation. That is, xt equals x into t plus 3 minus 8 into t plus 3, which is xt equals xt, that is xt plus 3x minus 8t minus 80 minus 24. 8 3s are 24. Now the equation will like this way. Now we have to again arrange it. Okay. 3x minus 8t minus 24 equals 0. Now we can write the t as, that is, from this equation we can write t equals 480 divided by x. We can substitute in this equation number 3 can substituting equation number 3 in above equation number 4. That is, we can write this 3x minus 8. That is t means what t? 480 divided by x minus 24 equals 0. Now multiplying x throughout, that is 3x minus 8 into 480 divided by x minus 24 equals 24 into x equals 0. Multiply x on both sides. On the other side 0. 0 into x equals 0. Therefore we are not writing in here. If anyone have doubt where this t came from, this came from this equation, that is 480 equals x into t. From this equation t equals 480 by x. Okay. Now we can write this as 3x square minus this x and x cancel. Therefore 8 into 480 minus 24x equals 0. Now we can write 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x equals 0. Now we can divide equation throughout by 3. Okay. Then we will get 3x square minus 3840 minus 24x divided by 3 equals 0. That is x square minus 1280 minus 8x equals 0. Now we can arrange this equation in a quadratic equation form. X square minus 8x minus 1280 equals 0. We can split it 8 and 1280 like this way. Minus 14x plus 32x. When we add it we get 8x, and when we multiply it we get 1280 value. Okay. Now we can write it x square minus 14x plus 32x minus 1280 equals 0. Now we can arrange x, take x common from these two terms, x common, x minus 14 plus, now we can take 32 from this as common, 32 into x minus 14 which is equals 0. Now we can arrange this equation, x plus 13, that means we are taking x minus 14 term as common. Therefore x plus 32 into x minus 14 equals 0, taking x minus 40 as common. Now we can write it x plus 32 equals 0 or x minus 14 equals 0. X, from that x equals minus 32 or x equals 14. X equals 14. X cannot be negative. That is, speed cannot be negative. Therefore, speed x equals 14 km per hour. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, please comment. Please subscribe. Thank you.